What's going on, good people? I go by the name of I Can Be Greedy. Welcome to Evergreen Hideout. So the season right now it's September, spring season. So I'm going to take you through several vegetables that I grow in spring September season. So without further ado, please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. Your comments are more appreciated too. So let's get started. Alright guys, so in this container right here, I did a little bit of companion planting. As you can see right here, we have some parsley and we have some mint and we have some little bit of basil leaf seedlings coming through, as you can see. So these are my top 3 plants to plant in the springtime season. So you can also try this companion planting, but what you need to understand is that you have to have different plants that thrive together when they are planted in the same container or in your garden. So this gotta be my number 1, parsley, and number 2, this is going to be my mint, and number 3, my basil leaf. So I'm not quite sure if mint is a vegetable or a fruit, but according to my understanding, I'd like to think it's a fruit. So I'm just going to say parsley and my mint and basil leaf right here. So you can also try this companion planting in your own garden. So as you can see right here in my soil here, there is no insects coming through, but in deep down within my soil I have some earthworms. So mint works together with parsley in prevention of insects coming through to your soil. So in most cases we get insects like ants passing through our soil, so they dig up holes within the soil. So because the mint is good for pests, so it prevents insects like ants, grasshoppers, and so on and so forth. So we have parsley, mint, and basil leaf right there. So this has got to be my top 3. Okay, so right here we have butternut squash. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't actually plant this butternut squash. So as you can see, I just took out some seeds and I threw them into my garden. So it kind of produced on its own. So these seeds have been out here for about 3 to 4 months. So as you can see right now, I'm separating them. So I'm just going to scatter them around my garden after thinning my soil, and then we will see if we can produce some more butternut squashes. So butternut squash is a healthy plant which thrives when it's been fed water and all the organic elements like this wood right here. So I use these woods for mulching. As you can see, it is decaying nicely. So you can also try these woods. I will furthermore explain about these woods in my coming video, how they will help your vegetables thrive. So butternut squash, you can also try it. As you can see, I did not plant it, but it's coming up nicely. So I'm just going to keep it here in my garden so that you can also try it too, and I'll see how it progresses. Okay guys, so as you can see, another vegetable that's on our list is spring onions. So spring onions are non-bulbous onions. They tend to grow throughout the year and they thrive on sunny conditions like springtime. So these are great vegetables to plant. So as you can see, for this you can also eat off the tops, these green parts here, and you can also chop yourself some onion stems. So this is good for making gravies and so on and so forth. So you can also try planting these spring onions. They are easy guys. They normally don't take long for growth. So I prefer spring onions over other onions because I can only just take one onion from this bunch here and then I plant it I am sure that it will duplicate into this bush that we have right here. As I received this from my friend, just a single onion can duplicate itself into multiple onions. So this is a great plant to plant in your garden. Okay guys, so the next vegetable on our list is cucumbers. So cucumbers behave more like pumpkins. They thrive in conditions where it's raining and in sunny conditions. So you can plant the cucumbers in spring season and in summertime. Try it guys. So cucumbers, they have many helping benefits. And another plant that we're going to take a look at is Swiss chard spinach. So Swiss chard spinach is beneficial because it can grow for over seasons, and one single plant can grow for 2 years. So plant your Swiss chard spinach and you will like it. And right here I have chili seedlings. As you can see, I did a little bit of companion seedlings. So what I had here in this container, I had 5 types of seeds and I threw them into this container and I prepared them in the fertilized soil. So as you can see, my seedlings are all thriving. So we have cucumber, Swiss chard spinach and chilies. And last but not least, we have fennel. So fennel is a good herb for smoothies, cookies, and so on and so forth. So whenever I like to cook, I like to mix fennel and mint to produce some healthy smoothies. And you can also mix it in your gravies and so on and so forth. So planting fennel is easy. So I just got this one from a mix of seeds that I bought in my local store. So this fennel is thriving, just merely about 2 to 3 months old. So there was actually two in my garden. So when I shuffled my soil, I kind of lost the other one. So for this one is the surviving one. So I'm expecting it to grow and produce some seeds so that I can plant more of it. So my advice for you gardeners is that buy vegetables that produce seeds so that you will not go to stores to buy any seeds anymore. So garden is easy when you have seeds that you produce on your own organically. So buy halom seeds or chemical seeds and then grow them, and then they will be organic seeds. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on my videos. I will see you in a new video. Okay, so in this container right here, and last but not least, we have fennel.